my chips cashed in, and keep trucking like the dude I met. Together, more or less in line, just keep trucking. Here's a neon and flashing monkeys out on Main Street. Chicago, New York, Detroit, and it's on the same street. Your typical city involved in a typical daydream. Hang it up and see what tomorrow brings. Dallas, got a soft machine. Houston, too close to New Orleans. New York, got the ways and means, but just won't let you be. Oh no. Most of the cats that you meet on the street speak of true love. Most of the time they're sitting and crying at home. One of these days, then they better be going out of the door and down on the street all alone. Trucking like the dude I met once told me, you got to play your hand. Sometimes the cards ain't worth a dime if you don't lay 'em down. Sometimes the light's all shining on me. Other times I can barely see. Lately it occurs to me, what a long, strange trip it's been. Now what in the world ever became a sweet Jane? She lost her sparkle, you know she isn't the same. Living on reds and vitamin C and cocaine. All a friend can say is ain't it a shame. Trucking up to Buffalo, I've been thinking you got to mellow slow. It takes time, you pick a place to go and just keep trucking. Sitting and staring out of the hotel window. Got a tip, they're gonna kick the door in again. I like to get some sleep before I travel, but if you got a warrant, I guess you're gonna come in. Busted down a Bourbon Street, set up like a bowling pin. Knocked down, it gets to wearing thin. They just won't let you be. No. Now you're sick of hanging around and you like to travel. Get tired of travel and you wanna settle down. I guess they can revoke you so for trying. Get out of the door, right out and look all around. Sometimes the light's all shining on me. Other times I can barely see. Lately it occurs to me, what a long, strange trip it's been. Trucking, I'm a going home. Whoa, whoa, baby, back where I belong. Back home, sit down and match my bones and get back trucking. And now get back trucking on. And now get back trucking on. And now get back trucking on. Get back trucking on. Get back trucking on. Get back trucking on. And now get back trucking on.
Oh my goodness.
What do you think?
Is that my old Jeep?
That's your old Jeep, man.
Holy cow.
Oh my goodness! Is that Jeep?
Yeah. Oh. Wow.
Oh my goodness.
Wow. The car's supposed to be.
Yeah.
Okay.
One going.
Can you let the window down?
Yeah.
Let her. How's it drive?
Pretty good. Pretty good.
Stand on those steering wheels, act like you.
What is up? Now.